How to cut cat nails. Here's what we need. 1. Nail clippers for cats. These nail clippers are for cats and dogs. The sharp part has a rounded corner to adjust cats' nails. 2. Toothpicks. 3. Wet tissues. Find alcohol-free wet tissues so it will be safe for cats or kittens. Put your cat on your lap. Make them feel comfortable before you start cutting their nails. Press on the pads to bring the nails out. Cut the nails from left to right in order or vice versa so you won't miss any. Cut only the tip to remove the sharp part. Never cut it too deep, it will bleed. Make sure the nails are not sharp anymore by rubbing it with your finger. Their hind limbs have thicker nails. We have to be more careful with this. Cats' nails consist of layers. Sometimes a layer can fall off, but it's okay, just help to remove it. After all the nails are cut, use a toothpick to clean the nails from the inside. This step is not necessary if the nails are clean. Finally, take one piece of wet tissues to wipe the nails one by one.